Marketing communication is one of the core features of the BNTouch CRM. In the Marketing tab, you can design new campaigns, browse materials to use from the Content Exchange, upload documents to send out, and more. But you can also handle campaigns on a per-client basis from within their record in the Mortgages tab. When you open a borrower's record by clicking their blue name link, you can see a Campaigns sub-tab among the many available for that client. Here, you can see the campaigns that are active for a client, start new campaigns for them, temporarily pause a campaign, or skip individual campaign steps. At the top of the Campaigns sub-tab, the first button available, Start Campaign, lets you begin any marketing campaign for the selected client. If you do not see this button, you may not have marketing access to your account. This feature can be enabled by your administrator. When you click this button, you will see a list of any campaigns you have added to your account that haven't been started already for the borrower. Once you find one that you want to start, you can choose a start date and time for the campaign. If this is a past date, the campaign will start automatically when you click the Start Campaign button below. Otherwise, clicking this button will begin the campaign for the client on the specified date. Below, any automated marketing campaigns that have triggered for the borrower will appear. Campaigns that have been manually added to the record will also be listed here. Basic information for each campaign will display below, including the start and finish date of campaigns, whether they were triggered automatically or manually started, and the status of the campaign for this borrower. Campaigns that are active will appear with black text, and those that have already finished will be lightly grayed out. Active campaigns can be temporarily paused for a client by clicking the Pause link to the right. These can be resumed at any time by clicking the new Run link. Alternatively, campaign progress can be stopped and reset using the Remove option. This will halt any further progress for the client in this campaign, but the client can be manually added back to the campaign or added again by meeting trigger criteria. If a client meets the trigger conditions for a campaign that you do not wish for them to receive, you may wish to pause the campaign instead of remove to avoid simply restarting it automatically. Multiple campaigns can be stopped at the same time using the checkboxes to the left and the Delete Selected button above the list. You can see all of the steps for a campaign by clicking the blue Name link in this list. This will show what steps have already taken place and which are still pending according to the checkboxes to the left of each step. For steps that have already occurred, you can use the Run Again link to the right to resubmit the marketing material. Steps that have yet to occur will instead have a Skip link to the right, which you can use to bypass individual steps for the individual clients. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.